Good day everyone. I'm going to show you how to install tempered glass perfectly using PANZER Glass Original. PANZER Glass is a shock and scratch resistant, 100% touch, super glass, and easy to install. Its cost in Jarir bookstore is 99 SR. Let us now open and take a look what's inside the box. The box is a little bit heavy compared to other tempered glass. I can say that the glass is very safe inside. Just pull it off and you can see what's inside the box. Okay, there's another small box. What's inside is an instruction guide with different languages. Next is a microfiber glass cloth. Wet wipes and dust remover. The most important, the PANZER glass itself. As I handled it, it's very, not too much, but it's thick compared to other tempered glass. It is also heavy. Behind the glass, there is an instructional guide. First is to clean your device with wet wipes. Second is to remove the back film from the glass. Next is to carefully position the glass. Then is to slide a finger down the middle of the glass. Then remove the front film. If there are bubbles, you can use the microfiber cloth. Now, let's start the steps. Wipe your device with wet wipes. Let it dry. And if there are microfiber dust, you can use the dust remover to remove it. I am trying it again to eliminate mistakes and errors. I use the camera hole as my guide. Now, let's remove the back film of the glass. Carefully position the glass. While removing the back film of the glass, don't forget to hold the top area so that the glass will not slide down. Then slide your finger down from the middle. You can see that there are still bubbles. Well, you can use your microfiber glass cloth to eliminate those bubbles. Now that it is free from air bubbles, let us now remove the front film of the glass. There are still micro air bubbles from there, so you can still use the microfiber glass to remove it. Then it's done. It is now perfectly installed. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you.